name is Zulfia Mary. I am from the accounting department. Okay, here I will explain the material about making phone and conference call in English. So let's go straight to the material. Oke, kita masuk ke materinya, yaitu making phone and conference call. Make a business phone call. Since the advent of telephone technology, our life have become easier because we don't have to go far to meet someone in person if we have something to say. In addition, the telephone has also helped many people to make appointments without meeting in person. In making a call to people you just know, such as customers from various regions, there are various things that you need to pay attention to in making a phone call so that your conversation can be received well according to exciting technique. Nah, selanjutnya kita masuk ke cara membuat panggilan telepon. How to make a business phone call in English. Preparing for the business call. Gather all the information and supplier you might need for the call. The number and the full name of the person you need to speak to. Have a calendar, pen, and paper at hand. Have your personal information at handphone number and address to rescue at. Next, make sure you are in a quiet and comfortable environment. This means to turn off the television, music device, and any other distraction. Children and babies should be out of the room when you are making a business call. Next, think about what you need to accomplish with this call. Use notes, taking point to guide you through the first at detail you want to mention. This may be your only check to get your point across. Nah, maksudnya di sini adalah teknik untuk membuat telepon bisnis. Kita harus mempersiapkan panggilan bisnis. Nah, untuk mempersiapkan panggilan bisnis ini, kita harus mengumpulkan semua informasi tentang bisnis kita yang akan didiskusikan, kemudian pastikan kita berada di dalam ruangan yang nyaman dan tenang, tidak ada gangguan. Dan pikirkan apa tujuan yang Anda capai saat melakukan panggilan bisnis. Selanjutnya, next, making the business call. A business call has three main stages. First, introduction. Introduce yourself. Express gratitude. Next, middle bar. Make sure the person you are calling is fully available to talk. Yang terakhir, ending summary of the call. Nah, maksudnya untuk melakukan panggilan bisnis ada 3 tahap. Yang pertama yaitu pengantar. Pengantar ini biasanya dengan cara memperkenalkan diri dan mengucapkan terima kasih. Kalau untuk dengan massal atau middle bug, yaitu untuk menyampaikan tujuan. Kalau untuk ending summary ini merupakan ringkasan poin penting dari panggilan. Next, materi selanjutnya, things you must keep in mind when making a business call. It is important to use the right level of formality. If you are too formal, then the person might find it difficult to feel comfortable when she talks to you. Then again, if you are too informal, the person could think that you are rude. B. Important to show politeness. Always use please and thank you or thanks very much whenever you ask for or receive help or information. If you call native speaker in English, you might find it difficult to understand them. Business people tend to speak very quickly on the phone, so you will probably need to slow them down. Nah, kalau untuk hal-hal yang dilakukan saat melakukan panggilan bisnis ini, kita harus meningkatkan formalitas kita, kemudian kita harus meningkatkan kesopanan kita, dan yang terakhir, kita harus memanggil penutur asli dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, jika kita sulit memahaminya, kita harus berbicara, kita harus meminta orang tersebut berbicara dengan perlahan dengan menggunakan kata-kata yang sopan. Next, materi yang kedua yaitu telepon conference call with clients. Conference call. A conference call is a telephone meeting. Participants deal in using a conference bright number which connects them the common virtual meeting room. They can be joined by people almost anywhere in the world. The meeting organizer may also call participants individually to add them to conference line, a practice known as ad hoc conferencing. Next, to make conference call productive for everyone, the following suggestions are appropriate for both conference call facilitator and participant. A. Reserve the conference call system by connecting the telecommunication division of the Information Service Department at extension. Next, communicate your expectations before the conference call. Send out the following: time of the conference call, extension, number the participant shall call, standard of behavior, how participants will introduce themselves, agenda will be following, material the participant needs. Nah, untuk fasilitator atau fasilitasnya, kita akan menggunakan untuk fasilitasnya. Biasanya panggilan konferensi ini harus menghubungi divisi telekomunikasi. Kemudian selanjutnya komunikasikan harapan Anda seperti waktu panggilan konferensi. Kita harus membicarakan sebelumnya kepada teman telepon kita atau teman konferensi kita waktu panggilan tersebut, kemudian nomor ekstensi yang harus dihubungi peserta, kemudian standar perilaku. Selanjutnya, peserta harus memperkenalkan diri, kemudian agenda yang sudah disiapkan harus diikuti. Next, participant learn to picture of your phone before the call. The three most important features to learn. Whatever you are using a district phone or some other. How to activity to speakerphone. How to turn the microphone off on when using the speakerphone, and how to mute the headset. Avoid using cell phone. Cell phone user can join a conference call in necessary, but the potential for reception issue, stick, and interference make it a poor practice. Next, don't use the hold feature. Find a quick location, call in on time, and set time aside for the call. Follow the facilitator expansion which were sent before the conference call. Keep your phone mute until the facilitator is opening the line for questions or comments. Identify yourself as time you speak. Avoid talking over or interrupting other speakers. To maintain a professional demeanor, some comments should not be made in this public forum. Nah, kalau untuk peserta ini, kita sebagai peserta harus mempelajari tutur ponsel yang saat kita melakukan panggilan. Kemudian caranya itu melakukan speakerphone, kemudian mematikan dan menghidupkan mikrofon saat menggunakan speaker, kemudian selanjutnya cara menonaktifkan ponsel. Kemudian kita sebagai peserta, kita harus menghindari menggunakan ponsel agar kita tetap fokus terhadap panggilan konferensi tersebut. Kemudian ikuti harapan fasilitator, jauhkan telepon sampai fasilitator membuka saran untuk pertanyaan atau komentar, kemudian hindari bicara atau menilai pembicaraan lain, dan yang terakhir menjaga sikap profesional. Oke. Okay, that's all from my material. I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.